Hi, it's Dr. Laura here, and your body pays attention to your joy, even tiny moments of it. Joy increases dopamine and oxytocin, lowers stress chemicals, and strengthens long-term resilience pathways. It supports longevity by helping your system repair and rebalance. Even one breath of joy shifts everything. Notice one sensation of joy in your body and breathe into it 3 times. Let it grow. One last time. Your nervous system stabilizes when you create a pocket of positive emotion your cells can respond to. Let joy be the quiet medicine your biology remembers. Thank you and namaste.